Look who we have here. It's Marshall from the Paw Patrol.
I'm fired up. Letter tree. Pup tree. My favorite.
And we're making puppy treats for him with these yummy fruits and vegetables. Let's get started. Here's a green broccoli. This is a yellow banana.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Here's an orange.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife.
These are green peas.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Here's a purple eggplant.
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo. Skip to my loo.
This is a red apple.
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Here's some yellow corn.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Here's a green avocado.
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with
An
me?
orange carrot.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child.
Now that we have our fruits and vegetables cut up, we'll use this puppy treat maker to make our treats. We'll add some apples, bananas, some broccoli, carrots, and eggplant.
Cats in the cream.
Cool! We made puppy treats. How many puppy treats did we make? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 puppy treats. Here you go, Marshall. And Marshall also has a backpack that we can open. Let's see what's inside. Cool! It's building blocks. Let's see what we can build with these blocks.
The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo.
What did we
Skip to
build?
my loo, my darling.
It's a fire truck.
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo.
Real, real, real.
Funnest toys.
Whoa! So much yummy ice cream! chocolate, vanilla, mint chocolate chip, strawberry. I wonder what's in this box. Even more ice cream. Yellow, red, blue, green, purple, blue, pink, orange.
Funnest toys.
Look what we have here. It's Puppy's playhouse. Aw, Puppy's so cute. And there's so many things for him to do. He can slide down the slide. Whoa! So much fun. And he can spin the tree. Plus, there's holes to put shapes in. Here's a yellow star. A blue triangle. Red circle. Purple square. Now, let's ring the doorbell. Whoa! It's building blocks. Let's see what we can build with these building blocks. It's a fire truck.
Funnest toys.